In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Keyboard Toolbar. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on General Management available here. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Scroll down a tiny bit and use this switcher next to Keyboard Toolbar to turn it on or switch it off. So now, when I go back, I can see that my toolbar was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!